G'day guys, Matt here, Auto One Browns Plains. Today I'm showing you the head unit upgrade kit by Aerpro. Now this one here is for a Toyota 8th Gen, and the great thing about these kits is they replace the panel in your dash and they fit a larger unit in there. So in this case it's a 10-inch unit and it gives you the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It retains your factory benefits that your car might have, such as USB plugs, factory cameras, steering wheel controls, those sort of things. Great way to get a bigger, more modern unit and get those features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can get your maps on there, your Waze, your Apple Maps, or your Google Maps. You've got the ability to add an extra dongle on there if you wish. That's an additional extra you can purchase. A HEMA map dongle as well. So if you're doing some four-wheel driving, you got some great upgrade ability on that one. Alright guys, just a quick one. Matt here, Auto One Browns Plains, showing the Aerpro head unit upgrade kits.